Hello everyone, myself Chandramohan Singh. Today we will know about how to use cut copy paste command in PowerPoint and how many types of views are available in Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's start the video. So student, I just want to tell you one thing that if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Press the bell icon for the future updates. Okay, now so what we are going to do, we will know about how to use cut, copy and paste command in Microsoft PowerPoint. So student, I just want to remind you that in Microsoft Word, we have already used these commands. So same that command are also work in this platform. Okay. So before that, what we are going to do, we have to write something in that. Okay, in this slide I'm going to write down something and that contain I will copy to another place. Okay, so let me design this. Okay, so here what I'm going to do, here I'm going to write down something like PowerPoint, POWER power. Okay, POINT PowerPoint. Okay, now here I'm going to write down this information. If you want to decorate or design your slide, what you will do, you just select it and apply the color which you want, like this. You can also increase the size, or you can also give some bold, italic and underline, whatever you want you can do this. Okay, now I have designed this slide. If suppose you want to give or change the background color, what you will do, go to the design tab and choose the theme which you want, or you can also change the color from here. Okay, go to the background style and solid color, gradient color, whatever color you want you can give. Okay, now it has been, it has designed. Now here, okay, fine. Now this slide has been, there is a one small simple slide I have made. Fine. Now what is the topic is how to copy a item in a slide and paste it to the another place, or how to copy a slide, that is the topic. So to copy a slide, what you will do, you just click on the slide and use the copy command, and now paste it on the same place. Now you can see here the slide has been copied to the place. Fine. Okay, one there's one more thing. If suppose you have written something in the first slide, you have written something like uh, slide 1. Okay, this you have written in this slide. Okay, if suppose you want to cut this information, then what you will do, or you want to copy this information from this slide to another slide, what you will do, you just use the same procedure is there. You just copy this. Okay, you just select it and then click on the copy option and go to the another slide and choose the area where you want to paste and click on the paste. Fine. This, by doing this, you can see the information is pasted. Fine. Similarly, if suppose you want to the cut some information from one place and paste it to the another place, so you can do this by using, just select it and click on the cut option. That information is cut. Now choose, make a new slide and go to the title area and paste it with the help of paste option. Okay, now by doing this you can better understand that how to cut information. Okay, cut information or copying information and paste it on the another place. Now we have one more topic, that is how many kinds of views are there in PowerPoint. So basically what is view? View is nothing, view is the thing which you are watching. So the way you are looking the information, that is known as view. Okay, so there are four kinds of views are available in Microsoft PowerPoint. You can click on the view tab and go to the presentation view. You can see there are there are four kinds of view. Okay, by default the first view is normal view. In the normal view we have the this kind of interface. Okay, so in this interface we have something, that we have already discussed, but today I just want to remind you, that is the slide tab, outline tab, and the slide pane. Okay, now what is the use of slide tab? In the slide tab, you have seen these small pictures. These small pictures are the picture of this slide. Okay, so these small pictures are known as thumbnail. Okay, these thumbnails are the these thumbnails are what? These thumbnails are the small picture of a current slide. Okay, in your presentation, how much slide you have used, it is present or display in this thumbnail, in this slide tab area. Okay, so what is the use of that? It is basically used to switch from one slide to another. Okay, you can see here right now, if I click on this first slide, it is go in the first slide. If I click on this third, it will go in the third slide. Okay, so that is the use of the slide tab. Now outline tab is basically used. Here we have the outline tab. In the outline tab, what is written here, the information which we have written in the slide, it is written here. So basically outline tab is used to type or capture your ideas. Okay, whatever information you want to type, you can type it here also. Okay, fine. So that is basically used to store your information for future use. Fine. Similarly, okay, similarly we have written the information in the note pen area. Okay, the note pen area allow you to add note to the current slide, which you can see later during the presentation. You can also print the note from for future use. Fine. Now come to the point, that is another, come to the another view, that is slide shorter view. You can see in the slide shorter view, the slides has been displayed in the form of a small picture. Okay, fine. So you can use this view as per your requirement. Next view is note page view. The this view is basically used to show your information in the form of page. Okay, whatever information you have written in the uh, note pen area is displayed here, and as well as it also display you the presentation, sorry, your slide. Fine. Next is reading view. Reading view is reading view is basically, it is just looks like the power it just show you the information in the form of presentation. Okay, the reading view comes with the basic control to navigate through the presentation, such as previous and next button is used to show. You can see here uh, I just dragging or changing the slide with the help of my keyboard. So basically reading view is used to show your slide into the form of presentation. Okay, you can uh, use this icons to switch from one to another. Fine, one slide to another slide. Fine, so this is how, and this is the use of the reading view. Fine. Now just click on this normal view. You can again go to the normal view. Fine, so this is the use of, and this is the overview of this views. You can use this view as per your requirement. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.